Hi there, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to talk about what we can do with the right click menu on 3DVista Virtual Tour. If you're inside your 3DVista Virtual Tour, if you right click on your scene, you will see this menus and you will see this 3DVista player version blah blah blah. And if you Google about that 3DVista, right click, you will find the official content of from the 3DVista, how to customize the text and options that appear in the right click menu in 3DVista tool. And it says like this: 3DVista player. They say you can purchase the private viewer service here. If you want to purchase this thing, let me see how much is the cost. £250, guys. Yes, you can purchase it. But guys, I'm just sharing. I'm not encouraging you to break the law, or I'm not encouraging you to hack and crack. And let me just doing some sharing information about what we can do on this thing. You will see this 3DVista player, what we can do with it. Let me show you the source code of this virtual tour. It is located here. I'm sharing a tip that generally you can apply on how to change or modify the source code of a website, because the website files are open source. You can easily change everything you want, but you need to figure out how. Just for example, you have this title, 3DVista JS title. If you check the index.html source code, you can right click and open the source code. You see you have it here. You can change it to blah blah blah, right? And it is completely legal to change the source code of a website that you already have here. You see this blah blah. What about this one, guys? You can do the same thing. For example, I'm not going to show you too much, but what I'm going to show you is just a trigger so you can find out more yourself, because I don't want to say to you how to remove this 3DVista player, because it is against the copyright and against the marketing strategy of this company, guys. So you see this 3DVista player V135. I'm going to find something that can easily be found on the source code. Let me try this. Enter full screen. I'm using Notepad++. I will copy this location of this folder. I type Ctrl F to find something. I will try. No. What does it say? Enter full screen. I will type enter full screen. I'm going to find out where is the script that has this text inside this directory. I click find all. Wait a second. You have this script, tdvplayer.js, and it has this the text editor found for results. we have this one. Enter full screen. Yeah, full screen, enter full screen. I'm going to edit this one to view in full screen. Change it that way, and I'm going to refresh this one. Right click. Okay, not that one. So I'm going to check the other one. What I'm showing you is just a technique, guys. You can do this technique to do your own work. Yeah, refresh. You need to find out one by one which one is that one that can affect this, what you see here. This second result is not that one that we want. This one, blah. This is the third one, so that should be the last one. Enter. Oh, not this one. Let me view in full screen. Yeah, it is correct. Which one that I type view in full screen? View in full. Here, this one I already modified the text. Below view in full screen, this is only just changing the text. If you right click, you can see this notification. And what about this one or this one? You can do the same thing to modify it. Inside this tdvplayer.js, let's find mute. You have this unmute, unmute, again mute. Just find everything that has mute text inside the code. You see in this part, I think it is the translation of mute and unmute in many different languages. I think. I don't know. Keep going. You okay, this one is set mute. The source code of JavaScript, they minified the text so you cannot easily read the code, but it is up to your skill how to read the code. You can still read it if you have an experience on understanding JavaScript code. We have this one on 785, and let me find out again the next result for the mute. Mute. Guys, I'm right now on line 2304. I got something here that seems that I can toggle, no, I can modify it to whether to change it or hide the mute menu here, or even this one. but I'm going to do it for the mute menu. This one here, you have mute, you have enter full screen, exit full screen, and so on. This line is something that you need to work on, guys. I'm going to show you how I can hide this mute menu. This one, after full screen, this is enter full screen, right? This one, and mute is the menu after it. And this 3DVista player must be not too far away from this area. For this mute menu, I'm going to try after this part. Let me press enter on here. Let me check, did I mess with the code or not? Is the store still working or not? And it is still working. And okay, this one, after I press enter, push mute. Let me this parenthesis from this one. Let me do my work this way, guys. Oh, so that part is for this one. This part is for the previous line of code, and forget it. Let me press enter here. If b index of mute more of 0, a push blah 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 until here. Let me press enter here, and we have this curly bracket. Let me press enter here and here. Again, let me try to test the tool. Did I mess with the tool or not? Everything is fine. Now what I'm going to do is to try to comment this line, guys, and let's see what will happen. Tada! The mute menu is gone. Guys, what do you think? What will you do next? It's up to you. I'm just showing you a technique, and I've shown you. If you have the mute menu, when you right click here, I've shown you how I can hide it. What about the rest? It is up to you, guys. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any help from me, you can just contact me. My email is there on the about page of my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.